What's up, guys? Apple had their big meeting today. It looks like a sell, as does the NASDAQ. Let's dive in. The NASDAQ has fallen into a triangle, okay? So it's a five-wave move. Let me get myself out of the way. It's a five-wave move, A, B, C, and then we have two more legs to go, D and E, and then that should be it, okay? So first, a key concept you got to keep in mind with the triangles is alternate legs have a fib relationship. So what that means is C wave should have a pretty good fib relationship to the wave two positions prior, which is A. So I'm just going to use Motive Wave software here, ratio analysis, C and A. Oh, 61%. And that is textbook, and that's why it's in green. Motive Wave color codes the ideal ratio so you know what the targets are. Let's do the same thing, D versus B. So ratio analysis, D and B, 618 is going to be just a bit higher into about 115. That's going to be a key zone. Okay, we have the 50% just below at 110 as well. So 110 to 114 is going to be key. I also want to do a retracement of C wave down. So I just switch over the retracement tool and go all the way down. Let me get rid of the unimportant ones. And there's one particular ratio I want to draw your attention to, which is that 78.6% retracement right at 110 on top of the 50% D versus B. So altogether, guys, in English, there's a big old zone of juicy Fibo resistance, 110 to 115 in the Qs. Big old resistance, and again, I don't think it's going to crash, but we should be able to get back down to E, kind of sideways. Price action remains, and just do a little bit of time analysis. Let's do E and C. It looks like this consolidation at the current rate should take you into early May. So we have some time to go sideways. Over here, let's go to Apple. Big, a lot in the news here today. I think it's actually coming into a pretty good sell zone, and there's going to be a lot of stuff on this chart. So hope you're sitting down. Okay, Apple's a little weaker than the overall market. We have it down in 1, up in 2, big old wave 3, and then here's where we get real funky here in Apple. Looks like there's a bearish butterfly going on inside of the fourth wave. Okay, so butterfly is this X, A, B, C, D pattern. Okay, it's what they call fib harmonics, which is a concept that's been around for a long period of time. Back in the Bryce Gilmore days and Larry Pesavento, and even before that, H.M. Gartley. So that ties in very well with the R.N. Elliott work, which is Elliott. Altogether, this whole big bonanza here identifies time resistance for this current wave 4 between March 18th out to April 1st, and then price resistance between 106 to 109, okay? So really good price and time resistance there in Apple. If that holds, this price and time zone, then we should be in for another drop down in Apple. If we break above 109 and specifically break above this wave 1 high or this wave 1 low, that would invalidate the wave count. I'm wrong, and Apple's going to go higher. So we have our game plan. We know we're right and we know we're wrong. All right, guys, so Apple is quite low in terms of implied volatility. I'd be looking to do some long put debit spreads here. Look for a bit of a directional move. No sense selling call credit spreads above 109 because volatility is so cheap you're not going to get anything for it. So got to get a little directional with the trade. All right, guys. So Apple into resistance at 109. The Qs, we have 110 to 114. Those two, the Apple zone is a lot tighter than the NASDAQ is, so maybe the Qs will hold the lower end of that zone, but obviously we're looking for those two to come together, all right? That's going to be the game plan. We still have our commodity positions on. If you watched the last video, I'll link you over to that one, and as always, please go ahead and like the video. It helps us as we're making a big push towards YouTube. Love hanging out here on YouTube. If you like, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to try to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe if you like to join us as these videos come out. Set the notification. You can be alerted right away on YouTube. Pretty awesome. Oh, also, almost forgot, the March Madness sale is going on right now for Motive Wave. So if you want to get it at a discounted price, significantly discounted price, this is the software I'm using here. Let me show you this. I'll give you the link. I'll link to the Motive Wave March Madness sale. 20% off everything. I'll link you down below here. So if you'd like to get involved there to the Motive Wave software, go ahead and jump in. All right, guys, thanks again. You're still here? I guess you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up button or subscribe to this channel directly below, and you'll get the videos in real time. Or you're gonna have 7 years of bad luck trading and you have to babysit Jake and Brody.